Good morning. It's from SummerFlower company. First, I want to say thank you to my VIP customer Cindy. Thank you very much for your customization project order. Yeah, you can see this is a huge size 3D flower door with the light panel style. After we received our customers' inquiry, we read the customers' requirements very clearly, and then we make a very clear project. So you can see that we make it into 3 parts about this flower door, and then we asked our professional handmade team to glue the silk flower head 1 piece by 1 piece as wall flowers made by hand. So you can see that our company not only can accept the standard order, but also we have the ability to make the customization project order to you. So just give us your inquiry, just let us your requirements, and we can make it come true.